It's Mr. Worldwide with the one and only Dolly Parton.
Well, hey!
And this is dedicated to all my powerful women, working 9 to 5, 2, 3 jobs just to survive. All my powerful women, no man at home, raising all the kids alone. All my powerful women, y'all deserve a throne. Keep your head up and stay strong. All my powerful women, no matter what, never give up. I remember working hard with my mom. You name it, she did it. You name it, she sold it. You name it, she cleaned it. You name it, she owed it. She had to provide, we had to survive. So you name it, she stole it. Our whole life was layaway. Pay, but the bills never went away. Put your hands to the sky. This goes out to the women working hard 9 to 5.
Working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living. Barely getting by. It's all taking and no giving. They just use your mind and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5. For service and devotion. You would think that I would deserve a fair promotion. I want to move ahead. The boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes the man is out to get me. Ooh, here's to your mama and here's to mine.
Thank you, Dolly. Dolly.
Mama worked hard her entire life. She had 12 kids at 35. Working 24/7, 365. Working 5 to 9 and 9 to 5.